You've heard this before. Disappear for 30 days, cut off everyone, grind in silence and come back unrecognizable. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the truth. Real success doesn't work like that. Success isn't a 30-day crash course. It's not a movie montage where you disappear, put in the work, and suddenly return as a completely different person. That's just another social media fantasy. The reality: growth takes time. Skills take years, and no one succeeds alone. Every great success story has a team behind it. Think about it. Successful people don't isolate themselves forever. They build networks, seek guidance, and surround themselves with the right people. The world's best athletes have coaches. The greatest entrepreneurs have mentors and business partners. No one makes it alone. Yes, you should work on yourself. Yes, discipline matters. But cutting off the world completely? That's not strength. It's a shortcut that doesn't work. Instead of disappearing for 30 days, try this. Surround yourself with people who push you forward. Learn, grow, and take consistent action. Because success isn't about isolation, it's about evolution. The truth is, success isn't about disappearing. It's about showing up. Every day, putting in the work, surrounding yourself with the right people. If you're tired of the fake success myths and want real, practical guidance, this is the place for you. Join a community of thinkers, doers, and people who want more than just social media buzzwords. Subscribe now and let's build success the right way.